Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 1. Here you see question number 1 is complete the following statements. Right? Two line segments are congruent if they have the same length. Two line segments are congruent if they have the same length. 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 They have the same length. They have the same length. Right? Question number 2 is among two congruent angles, one is a measure of 70 degree, the measure of the other angle will also be 70 degree. Right? Measure of other angle will also be 70 degree. When we write angle A is equal to angle B, we actually mean measure of angle A. Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.